the most important thing that you are provided the guaranteed placement. So this attracts me the most. Currently, I'm getting 15K per month stipend.
So were you hopeful that will you get placed, or you had some doubts that it might be fake or something?
Yeah, as a normal person, everyone has a doubt like it might be fake or it might be real. So I also doubt that I got placed or not, I will get any internship or not from that platform. After the completion of course, 1.5 months, I got email to apply for that company and then I got placed.
ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट हो गई है पर इंटर्नशिप नहीं मिल रही, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है इसलिए जॉब नहीं लग रही, ये सब तो हम अक्सर सुनते रहते हैं। पर मैं सेकेंड ईयर BCA का स्टूडेंट हूँ और मुझे अपने डिज़ायर्ड फील्ड में एक इंटर्नशिप मिल गई है। ऐसा सुनने को हमें बहुत कम मिलता है, राइट? ऐसा ही कुछ अमन ने कहा है इस इंटरव्यू में। आज की स्टोरी अमन की है जो सेकेंड ईयर BCA का स्टूडेंट है और वो कॉलेज के साथ साथ इंटर्नशिप भी कर रहा है, वो भी अपनी डिजायर्ड फील्ड में, फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट में। यस, BCA ज्वाइन करते ही उसने टाइम वेस्ट नहीं किया और YouTube से फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया। पर उसने रियलाइज़ किया कि उसे प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स करने चाहिए। उसी के कारण उसने इंटर्नशाला फुल स्टैक प्लेसमेंट गारंटी कोर्स में एनरोल किया, क्योंकि इस कोर्स में उसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स करने का मौका मिल रहा था और साथ ही साथ प्लेसमेंट गारंटी भी मिल रही थी। और इसका रिजल्ट आप सबके सामने है। He is working as full stack developer intern with Hexadecimal Private Limited at a monthly stipend of 15,000. इस इंटरव्यू में अमन अपनी करियर जर्नी और कुछ टिप्स शेयर कर रहे हैं, तो आप इस वीडियो को जरूर देखो। शायद आपको आपके काम की कोई बात समझ में आ जाए, that will help you find a job. So let's welcome Aman. Welcome Aman, and a huge round of applause on getting an internship in your second year of graduation itself. We have many viewers on Internshala, and through this video we hope they get tips on how they can start their career. So for our viewers, please tell us about your educational background and what are you doing currently.
First of all, I am Aman and I am from Kanpur, and currently I am pursuing Bachelor of Computer and Application from Kanpur, and currently I am in my second year and fourth semester, and also I have done the full stack developer course from Internshala recently.
Okay, so have you got placed through Internshala full stack development placement guarantee course?
Yeah, I got placed as a full stack developer intern in Hexadecimal Software Private Limited, which is located in Noida, and I placed 1 month ago, and I got this opportunity from the Internshala portal, where I got interviews and many more things. By solving that, I got placed.
Great. So if I could ask, what's the stipend you're getting?
Currently I'm getting 15K per month stipend.
Oh, great. So you are working from office? So have you relocated to Noida?
Yeah, I am relocated, but currently I am at my home because of my exam are going through.
Oh, nice, great. So like securing an internship with 15,000 stipend per month is awesome. So whom did you call first after getting hired?
Yeah, my parents.
What were their reaction?
Yeah, they were very happy to hear that, and they want me to get the job as early as possible to get the practical knowledge, and so when I got, they were very happy, and me also.
Yeah, so getting an internship in your desired field in the second year of your graduation, it's really an achievement. Great.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of student are you in college? Are you studious, backbencher? What kind of student are you in college?
Not studious, not backbencher. You can say that a medium type student, means like a little bit backbencher side and little bit studious side.
Okay, so as you mentioned that you did Internshala full stack development placement guarantee course, so what motivated you to make career in full stack development?
Ma'am, when I started BCA, and some of my friends already done BCA and got placed in MNCs. So I asked them to advise me what should I do for my better future. So they advised me to learn technologies like web development, full stack developer, backend developer. So I started learning from free resources. Then I joined your organization.
Internshala, great. So what made you to choose Internshala? And why did you choose this particular course of Internshala?
I have been learning this web development from past 1 year, but there is no practical knowledge in that. Means watch videos on YouTube and any other platform and write it on the paper, but no practical knowledge I gain from that. So I want to get the practical knowledge, like doing some projects and assignments. So I was searching for that course, and the most important thing that you are provided the guaranteed placement. So this attracts me the most. If I talk about, yes, then I joined your course.
Yes. So as you mentioned that Internshala Full Stack Placement Guarantee course offers guaranteed placement upon completion of the course. So were you hopeful that will you get placed, or you had some doubts that it might be fake or something?
Yeah, as a normal person, everyone has a doubt, like it might be fake or it might be real. So I have also a doubt that I got placed or not, I will get any internship or not from that platform. But when I started learning, I learned a lot of things, and by making projects and giving assignments from the instructors, and after the completion of course and after 1.5 months, I got email to apply for that company, and then I got placed from that.
Great. So now tell us a little bit about your experience of the course, like what kind of projects were there? Did you get to work on live projects? And how was the experience overall in terms of learning?
In that course, I learned a lot of things, like if you don't know anything about the web development, like full stack development, so you can join it, and it starts from basic like HTML, CSS, and give you the basic project like to design a page with the static text and images like that, and then they level up for the more good websites like an e-commerce, real world websites, and social media platforms. So from that I learned a lot of things.
Okay. And what did you like the most about the course?
The projects and the assignments.
The project. Great.
Because it made me it gave me a lot of knowledge for to like how things work in a practical way. So I learned a lot of things from doing the projects.
And did this course help you to prepare your resume and in your internship interview preparation as well?
Yeah, definitely. They helped me to prepare my resume. There is a separate resume review session.
Okay.
Yeah, they reviewed my resume and the cover letter, and there are lots of mistakes in my resume. There was, but they told me to correct these things, and also they helped me for interview, because when I have cleared the 2 round of interview and I have final round, I called your team to help me. Then they joined me and they motivated me for that.
Great. So were these sessions useful?
Yeah, they are very useful.
Oh, great. Nice. So now tell us about your internship interview process. Like how many rounds were there? What did they ask you in the interview? And how was the interview experience like?
Firstly, I am talking about the interview experience. The interview experience was very good. They are very humble in nature and they are very helpful. Okay, and there are total 3 rounds. Okay, and all the 3 rounds are technical round.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the first round, they asked me to make a basic React page with the help of an API call and render some data of the user. In the second round, they gave me a local API. With the help of that, I have to create my own API. which renders the data of the users by clicking on the users. You remember? You got it? There are many users in the table. When I click in one user, I have to render to the another page where I get all the information of that user only. Okay. In the third round and the final round, they ask me to use JWT authentication and to design 2 pages like login and home page, and that's it.
Okay, fine. So,
Yeah.
often, especially technical students, the students in technical fields have this question that is communication important to get into technical field, to clear interviews, to work with colleagues. So, is communication skills important for that?
Yeah, in the past few months ago, I also don't think that communication is so much important for me. But when I got placed and I'm working as a developer in that office, so now I'm feeling that communication is most important thing that each person have to communicate with your colleagues, and if you want any help from them, if you get stuck at any place, so communication is the most important thing, I think, to communicate with anyone.
Okay. So now tell us about your experience, being in a college and you are getting to experience a corporate world. So how is your experience so far? Tell us about your job, what is your job title? What is your job responsibilities? So tell us a little bit about that.
I am experiencing a very good phases of my life, and I'm learning a lot of things. That is the main thing, because it is my early age, because I am in the second year, so I have so much time to learn many things before my graduation. So as a web developer, I am learning a lot of things in my office, and in Hexadecimal I am intern as a full stack web developer, and where my work is both front end and back end part of their app and website.
So does this internship come with a PPO offer as well?
Yeah, it is come with the PPO offer as well.
Okay, great. So how has your life changed since you got placed?
I have joined last month, so life is little bit changed because I have to relocate. So it is not easy for me to stay away from my home so far. So the life was changed, and I'm happy as well because I'm learning many things for my future.
Have you become confident in speaking, in performing your tasks?
Yeah. In the starting phase, when I joined the company, I feel a little bit hard to survive because it is new for me for the practical knowledge and how the things are work. But now it is easy for me. So it is normal.
Great. How do you feel about your career journey so far?
I mainly focus on this field only because when I was starting learning as a web developer, my interests are very high in that field. So I am mainly looking any opportunity in this field for that give me this knowledge. So I am also looking my future as a developer, as a software developer, as a full stack developer. So yeah.
Okay, great. So from your journey, if 2 or 3 tips you want to give to a college student or a graduate who is about to start their career, so what advice would you give to them? If your friends also, I'm sure your friends would be asking ki, Aman, you got placed, you got a job. Yeah. So what should we do so that we also get a job? So what advice do you give to them?
First thing I would like to say that to wake up early.
Start early.
Yeah. Because I see my friends who are waiting for the end of the graduation. They told me that first I am doing graduation, then I will think what I have to do in my future. So this is the main advice from my side, that to wake up early and start early as possible and for your future, and gain the practical knowledge, not like learn from video and write it anywhere. Take it practical knowledge more as well, so it will help you for your future.
So if you could explain it more, that how can one gain practical knowledge? जैसे कैसे आपने कैसे प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज गेन किया? क्योंकि हम कोर्स में मटेरियल पढ़ लेते हैं, कॉलेज में भी पढ़ा दिया जाता है, अब प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज कैसे गेन करें?
देखिए यही प्रॉब्लम मेरे साथ भी थी, बिकॉज आई वाज लर्निंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 year, आई टोल्ड यू, बट मेरे पास कोई प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज नहीं थी. लाइक मैं भी पढ़ता था, उसको नोट डाउन करता था, और फिर जैसे अभी पढ़ लिया, फिर लेकिन बाद में क्या होता है कि भूल जाता है. लेकिन व्हेन आई जॉइंड द इंटर्न साला, दे गिव मी many assignments and many projects to do from my own. So what I have learned from the videos and from the course, I will apply to the assignments and the projects. By that I will learn a lot of things, like and फिर मैं उसको भूलता भी नहीं था. ठीक है, हाँ, इसीलिए प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट. हाँ,
Yeah. So like through projects आप practical knowledge gain कर सकते हैं.
yeah.
Okay. So would you recommend Internshala full stack development placement guarantee course to others, to your friends, and why?
Yeah, definitely.
If yes, why?
Yeah, definitely. हाँ, सबको ज्वाइन करना चाहिए, जितने भी मतलब कॉलेज के. ये नहीं कि ग्रेजुएशन मेरा खत्म हो जाए तब मैं सोचूंगा कि क्या करना है अभी. क्योंकि ज़्यादातर बच्चे जो हैं यही करते हैं, पहले ग्रेजुएशन करते हैं, फिर 1-2 साल फिर सोचते हैं कि क्या करना है, उसके बाद ज्वाइन करते हैं. तो मैंने क्या किया था, 1 साल मैंने खुद से तैयार किया, मुझे प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ज़्यादा लगा नहीं, तो फिर मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिया था. तो यही सबको ज्वाइन करना चाहिए, जितने मतलब स्टूडेंट हैं आईटी सेक्टर, जिनका ज़्यादा फोकस है कि उन्हें आईटी सेक्टर में अच्छी जॉब एज ए सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर, एज ए फुल स्टैक डेवलपर, बैकएंड डेवलपर, बहुत सारी जॉब्स हैं. तो उनको अगर अच्छी नॉलेज गेन करनी है और प्लेस होना है कहीं पे एज ए इंटर्न, एज अ फुल टाइम जॉब, सो दे कैन ज्वाइन, या दे शुड ज्वाइन.
Great. Thank you, Aman, for your time, and thank you for sharing your story with us. I hope our viewers who are listening to this video will surely get motivated and will work hard to achieve their dreams. I wish you
definitely.
best of luck for your future endeavors.
Thank you, ma'am.
So start early and find your dream career as Aman did. This was Aman's story. He did it, you can too. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to motivate me and my team and to know more such success stories. All the best.